In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Adobe Photoshop using the built-in Remove Background tool. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to separate a subject from its background, and it's especially helpful if you want good results without spending a lot of time making detailed selections by hand. If you've been using more complicated tools for this kind of task, this method can save you a lot of effort while still giving you a clean, professional-looking result. To begin, open your image in Photoshop and make sure the photo layer is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because Photoshop needs to know which layer you want to work on before applying any changes. If the wrong layer is selected, the option may not behave the way you expect. Next, go to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Properties. This will open the Properties panel if it isn't already visible in your workspace. The Properties panel contains several useful controls depending on what you have selected, and in this case, it gives you access to one of Photoshop's fastest background removal features. Once the panel is open, look for the section called Quick Actions. Inside that section, you'll see the Remove Background button. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Photoshop will automatically analyze the image, identify the main subject using Adobe's AI technology, and remove the background for you. In just a few seconds, you should see the subject isolated from the background, with a layer mask applied automatically. In many cases, the result is surprisingly accurate right away, especially when you're working with portraits, product photos, or images where the subject stands out clearly from the background. This makes it a great option when you need something fast and effective. If you notice that some areas need a little cleanup, especially around fine details like hair, fur, or textured edges, you can improve the result further. To do that, select the Layer Mask and use Select and Mask to refine the edges more precisely. This gives you extra control while still keeping the process much faster than doing everything manually from the beginning. Overall, this feature is perfect for beginners because it requires very little technical knowledge and almost no manual selection work. At the same time, it's also a huge time saver for more experienced Photoshop users who want polished results in just a few clicks.